Because of the strikes against Iran by the United States and Israel, diesel price may not increase immediately in India. For logistic companies, another point is very important. If Iran blocks this route, transit time may increase by 15 to 20 days. Eventually, this can create huge pressure on diesel prices. The logistic and transport sector could face several effects from this oil shock. In the international market, the price of crude oil has increased by more than 9%. Because of the strikes against Iran by the United States and Israel, will diesel prices increase immediately? How will this affect our trucking business and profits? Welcome to Logics by F4it. Here, you can see trucking and logistics clearly with expert insights. Even if the international crude oil prices touches around $80 per barrel, experts say that diesel price may not increase immediately in India. In our country, companies like Indian Oil, Bharat Petroleum, and Hindustan Petroleum currently have strong profits. Last year alone, these companies made around 81,000 crore in profit. So they can observe this kind of short-term price increases. Since West Bengal and Tamil Nadu elections are approaching, the government will usually try to avoid increasing fuel prices during this period. So truck owners do not have to worry about the immediate diesel price hike right now. For logistic companies, another point is very important. Out of the 88% crude oil that India imports, more than 40% comes through the narrow Strait of Hormuz route. If Iran blocks this route, oil tankers will have to travel around Africa to reach India. Because of this, transit time may increase by 15 to 20 days. Insurance and freight charges will also increase. Eventually, this can create huge pressure on diesel prices. Now let us see what impact this could have on truck owners. The logistic and transport sector could face several effects from this oil shock. In the international market, for every $1 increase in crude oil price, India's import bill increases by around 16,000 crore. If crude oil moves towards $100 per barrel range in the long run, our per kilometer operating cost will definitely increase. If problems continue in the Middle East, high value exports from India could also face delays. If container movement decreases, getting loads will become difficult. However, India currently has strategic crude oil reserves sufficient for about 74 days, so there will not be an immediate fuel shortage. Analysts say that if the conflict becomes more serious, Brent crude prices could rise from $100 to even $110 per barrel. If that happens, the government may not be able to keep diesel prices stable for long, and fuel prices could eventually increase. For logistic companies, controlling maintenance and diesel budgets will become a major challenges. So in the short term, there may not be a major impact on the trucking sector. But if the war continues, crude oil prices could increase further. If that happens, diesel prices may increase in the long term. What do you think about this situation? Share your thoughts in the comment section.